Grand Rising, my kings and queens. How are we doing thus far? I know it's been a little minute, yes. Today is an amazing day. One filled with imagination and beauty, love and laughter. Doing an interview of sorts. Mastering what skills we have in creation. Just a little reminder. Start the new day with self-love. Always remember to love yourself. Put yourself first before anyone else. Because no one else is going to do it. I love you, each and every one. And I'm sending a lot of light, plenty of love, joy, and serenity all through your day, evening, and night, wherever you may be. Until next time, have a blissful day. Yes?